There is a river that flows within each of us, our blood circulation. This silent current sustains life, delivering nutrients and oxygen to every cell. When it flows freely, we thrive. When it's blocked, our bodies send subtle warnings. Cold fingers, tingling toes, these are not random quirks but early signs from within. Ignoring them is like dismissing smoke before a fire. Our circulatory system is a vast, intricate network more complex than any highway. Its job to sustain, repair, and defend us. But it's vulnerable to hidden dangers that grow quietly until they can't be ignored. The key is awareness, learning to read the clues our bodies give us. The warmth of our skin, the color of our nails, the clarity of our thoughts, these are messages from our inner river. By listening, we become guardians of our own well-being. The story of your health is written in the flow of this silent river. Protect it, and it will sustain you. Picture your body as a bustling city, every cell relying on a vast superhighway, your circulatory system. At its center, your heart beats 100,000 times a day, pushing blood through 60,000 miles of vessels. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart, branching into tiny capillaries where nutrients are delivered and waste is collected. Veins return the used blood, aided by muscle contractions and one-way valves. This cycle is essential. Your brain, muscles, skin, and organs all depend on it. When blood flow slows, the whole system suffers. Cells starve, waste builds up, and the body malfunctions. Poor circulation isn't just a local issue, it's a crisis for the entire body. Every function, from thinking to healing, relies on this uninterrupted flow. When the superhighway is blocked, the city within begins to fail. Recognizing the signs early can prevent disaster. Your body's vitality depends on keeping this superhighway clear. The first signs of poor circulation often appear in your hands and feet. Cold fingers and toes, numbness, or tingling are your nerves signaling trouble. Swelling in your lower legs or feet means blood isn't returning efficiently. Skin may turn pale or blue, clear signs cells aren't getting enough oxygen. Poor circulation can also affect digestion, causing cramps or constipation. Brain fog, dizziness, and memory lapses are warnings from your oxygen-hungry brain. Slow healing wounds, especially on the legs and feet, signal blood isn't reaching injuries. Fatigue, joint pain, brittle nails, and hair loss can all trace back to circulation issues. These symptoms are your body's way of asking for help. Don't ignore the whispers, they're early warnings from your inner river. What slows this vital river? Blood clots are a major cause, blocking flow and risking life-threatening events. Varicose veins with weakened valves let blood pool and cause swelling and heaviness. Obesity strains the heart and vessels, raising blood pressure and compressing veins. Diabetes thickens blood and damages vessel linings, making arteries stiff and prone to plaque. High blood sugar creates a perfect storm for circulation problems, especially in the feet and hands. These conditions quietly degrade your body's superhighway. Recognizing and addressing these culprits is crucial for healthy circulation. Protect your river by managing these risks. Atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arteries, narrows and hardens your blood vessels. This slow process restricts blood flow, forcing your heart to work harder. In the limbs, it's called peripheral artery disease, PAD, causing pain and cramping during activity. Raynaud's disease causes arteries to overreact to cold or stress, cutting off blood to fingers and toes. These conditions show that vessel health is as important as blood health. If the channels are clogged or stiff, the river can't flow. Maintaining flexible, clear vessels is vital for your body's entire system. Don't let your river's banks crumble. Keep the pathways open. Knowledge is power. Your actions can keep your inner river flowing strong. Movement is key. Regular exercise strengthens your heart and improves circulation. Even simple activities like walking or stretching help prevent stagnation. Eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to protect your vessels. Omega-3s from foods like salmon and walnuts reduce inflammation and cholesterol. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your blood flowing smoothly. Avoid smoking. It damages vessels and thickens blood. Manage your weight to reduce strain on your heart and vessels. Don't sit for long periods. Stand, stretch, and move every hour. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, follow your treatment plan closely. Small, consistent choices make a big difference. Guide your river toward health with conscious daily habits. Your body is always communicating. Listen to its quiet signals. Cold hands, aching legs, or brain fog are not just annoyances, they're messages. Pay attention to changes. Notice if daily activities feel harder or if new symptoms appear. Early awareness lets you act before small issues become crises. Prevention is always easier than cure. Don't dismiss persistent signs, consult a medical professional if something feels off. Your choices shape the health of your inner river. Move, nourish, and care for your body, it's the only one you have. Listen closely, your body's story is the most important one you'll ever hear. Protect your river and it will sustain you for years to come.